So ngayon po, nandito po tayo sa Aguho PH. Nag-groundbreaking po tayo, nag-ribbon cutting tayo sa lugar kung saan itatayo natin ang arboretum. So in essence po, ang arboretum is isang collection ng iba't ibang klase ng puno, no, trees, shrubs, woody plants, kung saan pwede pong maging venue ng study and research. Ito po ay partnership ng SG Farm, DNR, Mount Matutong Protected Landscape, sa pamumuno po ni Paso Josephine Liberato, and of course sa Rotary Club of the Diangas. And kasama ko po ngayon na nagsuporta is ang AFP, PNP, at saka po ang Barangay Cablon para po sa proyekto ng Arboretum dito po sa Sitio Glandang, Cablon, Tupi South, Cotabato.
Kakalikasang araw po sa inyong lahat. I'm the Protected Area Superintendent of the Mount Matutong Protected Landscape, Forester Josephine Y. Liberato. So Mount Matutong is not only a national treasure, but also a home of different flora and fauna. And I am grateful to be the part of these initiatives, the tree growing activity of the Aguho Arboretum.
Pasalamat ko kay nagkaroon po tayo ng tree planting, no, Aguho gikan sa SG Farm. So para sa kuha, dako kayo ang nabulig o natabang sa SG nato kay ang atong tree, mga punuan sa atong mga palibot, nagdugang ta tungod nag-replanting ta gikan sa suporta sa SG Farm. Bantayan namo ni as official kaning Mount Matutong nato.
So sa project pala ng Rotary Club ngayon about Aguho Arboretum is napakaganda niya since nakagbigay siya ng awareness sa amin as youth about sa environmental protection, environmental development, and also pati na rin sa research development, but also makahelp din siya sa sustainability and development ng ating Mount Matutong, which is napaka-significant niya in regards sa ating future. And us then as interactors, as young people, maka-advocate din sa iba and makabigay din ng awareness sa iba na itong project na ito is maganda and it is possible pala na makakontribute sa environment in this ways. Hindi lang siya simple, it is a big contribution na maka-help dito sa activity na ito. And naka-plant kami ng trees, nakapag-field trip kami, and na-expose din kami sa mga Rotarians and mga members ng DNR, which is maka-happy siya sa feeling. Baka someday, kami rin, as young people, is maka-lead din sa iba towards a more sustainable future.
Thank you so much for your participation. So we give hope to our future generation and also to combat the climate change. So I know that our trees that we're going to plant today is in good hands kasi meron naman talagang mag-alaga. So thank you so much and good morning.
So inanyanahan ko po ang mga iba't ibang organization na gustong mag-contribute para dito. Open po kami dahil ito po ay para po sa Mindanao, para po sa buong Pilipinas, sa bawat Pilipino na gusto pong magkaroon ng exposure or awareness about what we have here in the Philippines and gusto pong mag-contribute para po sa conservation ng Mount Matutong Protected Landscape.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this special tree planting activity here at our beloved Arboretum. Today we come together not only to plant trees, but to plant hope, sustainability, and a lasting legacy for future generations. An Arboretum is a place of learning and conservation where trees are nurtured not just for their beauty, but for their critical role they play in our environment. By participating today, you're contributing to a healthier planet, cleaner air, and a thriving habitat for countless of species. Let this event remind us of the power of collective action. Each tree we plant is a step toward combating climate change and preserving the natural world for those who come after us.
Mabuhay and good morning. So I am Kimberlyn Pernig from SG Farm, also one of the organizer of this event, the Aguho Arboretum. So we are thankful and grateful to be part of this momentum event in which makahelp kami to prevent the Mount Matutum, and as well as for the Aguho Arboretum na kami yung first na batch na nagtanim ng puno for the mission for this activity of Plant Museum.
My name is Leslie May Biquilla. I'm the president of this Interact Club Rotary the Jangas General Santos City chapter, and in this Rotary year, the magic of Rotary. And in behalf of the whole Interact Club, I am very happy to be part of this amazing movement, to be part of the change for the world. And I believe that this is just not a tree planting, growing activity, but it is more than that. And I hope the Interact Club will be able to do this again in the future.